Okay guys, I'm going to show you how you break the bottom end bolts on the pistons. One sec, I'll flip it around and show you. And then I will show you the locking plates on the bottom end bearing so they don't spin when we roll the engine as we take the rest of them out as well. Modern technology, folks. You gotta love it. Now that's just pulled, right? Like so. And as you can tell, they were already broke. Now mind you, they're a lot harder than what that is right there. Believe me. Anyway, peeps, there's a little bit more pistons coming out. Okay, guys, just gonna show you us breaking it. Ben's putting a guide pin in over there.
All right. Okay, just bump it. No shot. Okay, little shot again. Shot. 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 Clear. All right, bring it up about 1.5 feet, 2 feet. Okay. Keep going. Okay, that's good. All right, Todd, can you put your guide, and you're gonna drop it towards my way?
Yep.
I'm gonna line us up for the pin, okay?
Yep.
Or the lock. Hang on. All right, go slow.
Yep.
Yep. Keep it going. Keep going. Now this hole's gonna go up there.
Yep.